YABER Pro V7 9500L 5G Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector. Click the link below for more info and a special 35% discount offer. Innovative Auto 6D Keystone Correction and 4P4D Keystone. YABER Pro V7 pioneered Auto 6D Keystone Correction. It's the first projector with 6D automatic Keystone technology on the market. Which means that after turning on the power to set the rectangular standard image, if the projector undergoes any movement or collision, V7 will automatically correct it and return to the standard image within 1s. Except the Auto 6D Keystone Correction, Pro V7 also retains the 4-point and 4D Keystone Correction function. 5 GHz 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi dual band and Bluetooth 5.0. YABER Pro V7 supports 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi dual band. 5G Wi-Fi support higher wireless rates which can make image, video transmission smoother. Also, Pro V7 built-in Bluetooth 5.0 function with SRS sound system which can connect with Bluetooth headsets, Bluetooth speakers and AirPods compatible with stick TV, laptop, Blu-ray DVD player, PS3, PS4 TV box, Amazon Fire TV, Roku streaming stick, laptop. 9500L and brightness plus 25% than all other 1080p projector. Pro V7 makes life shine. Compared with similar 1080p projectors on the market, Pro V7 is undoubtedly advantageous in terms of brightness. Brightness increased by 25% up to 9500L, with 9500L brightness, 12,000 to 1 high contrast. It is the highest brightness 1080p native resolution projector on the market so far. With a Pro V7 in home, who will want other item? Basic Smart Engine. Basic Smart Engine is a creative projection technology developed by YABER. Pro V7 is the first projector equipped with this technology in the home entertainment projector industry, with the leading and practical performance. Through this technology, the best audio-visual experience can be obtained in 5 aspects: brightness, abundant color, sound effect, immersive display, clarity. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.